All right, so here we have a pretty basic example. The first step in any radical equation is to get the radical all alone on one side of the equation. And this is close. The x minus 1 is under the radical. This 2 is not. So we need to remove that. It's 2 times the square root. So to get rid of it, we do the opposite and we divide by 2. That gives me the square root of x minus 1 equals 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now that the radical is by itself, I can remove it by squaring, because the opposite of a square root is to square. But whatever I do on one side of the equation, I have to do the same on the other. Here it cancels, and I have x minus 1. Over here, 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. And now I just solve for x. I add 1, and I get x is equal to 17. Now I think this is my answer, but I do have to go check it. Because this is a radical equation, you always have to check. Otherwise, you're going to get an answer that sneaks up on you and isn't actually a solution. So we're checking to see if 17 makes this equation true. So I'm going to replace x with 17. So there's my x, put a 17. And we're saying, is that equal to 8? The square root of 17 minus 1 is 16, sorry. The square root of 16 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. So this does work, and my solution is 17.